हेलो फ्रेंड्स नतुन এটা ভিডিও ঘৰত বহি থাকোঁতে আপোনাৰ মনত পৰিল যে মই এটা ভিডিও বনাম সিনেমেটিক্স ভিডিও অলপ বনাম অলপ এডিট কৰিম আৰু জায়গা এটা দেখাম এই জায়গাটো আপুনি চাই আছে এটো আপোনাৰ সেলফি পইণ্ট বুলি কয় জাজৰি এই ধৰক জাজৰি আমি এতিয়া গৈ আছো বৰবেটি পৰা পাৰ হলো সিধা গৈ আছো জাজৰি আহিও পাই গলো কাটি পেলাই দি দিছো জাজৰি আহি পালো এতিয়া আমি ইয়াতে শুট কৰিম ভিডিওটো আৰু এই চাইলো কি ধুনিয়া জায়গা বহুত ধুনিয়া আৰু
You call in my life, you break the line, I'm falling for you. You're stuck in my mind, just all the time, I'm falling for you. And tell me your secrets, I will tell you my secrets. We are different polos, but I like it, Wow, I'll be your anything if you be the one to take me home. 'Cause right now everything makes me wanna leave this place and roam. Make me feel alive. Take my hand around, let me be the one. Let's just take the dive. Nights only begun, don't you think we're done? Don't you think we're done? Don't you think we're done? Don't you think we're done?
পথাৰৰ সাইডটো আপোনাৰ হেৰি ভিডিও কৰি পেলাই অলপ ওপৰত এডিট কৰি দি আছো চাই লওক
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up, it's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 Don't be scared. Just step it up. Don't be scared.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me, well
thank you, bye.